Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, global administrator access, and a verified domain. Sign into Portal. Azure. Com with your admin account and open Azure Active Directory. Once done, register your custom domain and add the DNS-TXT record the portal gives you. Wait for verification. Next, decide whether to use the GUI or PowerShell. Install Microsoft Graph or Azure AD modules if you choose PowerShell. This gets you immediately into tenant setup, so you can create identities and policies without delay. You now build identities and link on-premises directories. Create users and groups. Use dynamic group rules to automate membership by attributes. Next, install and configure Azure AD Connect to sync on-premises AD objects. Make sure to run the health checks and select the right sync rules. Then configure enterprise applications. Add SAML or OpenID Connect apps, assign users or groups, and test single sign-on. As you work, apply role-based access control so administrators have least privilege and audit trails capture changes. Finish by locking down access. Enable multi-factor authentication and create conditional access policies targeting risky sign-ins, locations, or device compliance. Configure identity protection to detect compromised accounts and set automated responses. Make sure provisioning and licensing are applied to users. Finally, validate with test accounts and monitor sign-in logs and Azure AD Connect Health. If things go wrong, check sync errors and sign-in failure codes first. These logs usually reveal misconfigured attributes, certificate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.